Hello and welcome to the QA Underground. In today's video, we're going to be doing an introduction to VS Code by setting up Hello World with JavaScript. The first thing we're going to want to do is install the Babel extension. And we're going to do that by installing the Babel ES6/ES7 extension. And what this does is help VS Code with syntax and grammar. The next thing we're going to do is create a working directory. This will be the directory that we use for our project. Now we're going to create a file within our working directory that is called helloworld.js. Now that we have our file, we're going to need to give that file something to do. So we're going to start by writing console.log and then pass the text hello world to it. And what this will do is when it runs, it will output hello world to the console. And finally, we can run the file that we created. And we're going to do so by using Node within the VS Code terminal. And with that, we have now ran some code with VS Code, albeit minimal code, but still code nonetheless. We've walked through creating our working directory, creating a new file, and adding that file to the directory, adding some code to that file, and finally running that file using Node within the VS Code terminal. I want to thank everybody for joining us on this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.